My wife just recently ordered some new bamboo for me to plant, and we've put it down here at the back of our section near the canal. It's the beginning of the rainy season, so it's the right time to plant. But why another variety of bamboo, you might wonder? Well, this is an edible variety of bamboo. Bamboo is terrific for eating, just the young shoots though, but not every type of bamboo. This is a Bambusa variety. I can't get the specific name. Check out this link here, I'll explain why. But it is one that is well known in Thailand as sweet bamboo that is fabulous for eating. This comes from Isan province. It'll grow 4 to 5 meters tall, this variety, and it is quite prolific when it's the beginning of the rainy season like it is now. In the next season and for years afterwards, we will have a lot of bamboo shoots to harvest, and this is, as I said, it's called sweet bamboo for a reason, is because it's really sweet. And apparently for this variety, you can even eat the new shoots raw without cooking them. However, boiling them, steaming them, stir frying them, adding them to a curry are all ways that people prepare this type of bamboo and other types of bamboo for eating as well. Bamboo is quite interesting because it takes on the flavour of other ingredients. So if you're cooking some chili or some other spices, some other herbs with it, the bamboo will absorb some of that but retain its own sweet flavour as well. And it's got a lovely texture. It's usually a little bit crisp, a little bit crunchy, even if it's been steamed or boiled. So it really is a fantastic food source that is completely natural. And like any type of bamboo, pretty easy to grow, grows in a loamy, sort of sandy soil. It's going to need a little bit of watering. We're just at the beginning of the rainy season and the rains are coming sort of spasmodically and a little bit slowly. But once it's taken, we'll hardly have to pay any attention to it whatsoever, except for when we come to harvest our bamboo for eating. Now, if you'd like to know more details about this bamboo and other types of bamboo that you can use for eating, please check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you'd like to learn more about bamboo for building, for construction, and bamboo for things like furniture making and craft, please check out these videos next. Thanks very much for watching.